What's going on, guys? Before I start this video, I just wanted to tell you something rather very important. Today is October 6th, and this Friday, October 10th, will be the very last day you will be able to enter on the giveaway of our 2003 Springer Heritage Classic. This bike is absolutely beautiful. If you guys are new to this channel or just tuning in, we are giving this bike away October 31st, Halloween Day. It has been going on for a couple months now, but this Friday, October 10, will be the very last day at 11:59 p.m. This Friday will be the very last day you're going to be able to get yourself any entries on this bike. So head on over to www.cyclefanatics.com or just go down below in the video description, click on the link. It'll take you straight there. Get yourself entered now. Don't wait. Don't forget, because this Friday it will be shut down. And we will be picking a winner Halloween Day, October 31st. So good luck to the new winner on October 31st. I can't wait. We're going to make somebody very, very happy. There's also two ways that the new owner could win. They're going to win the bike. If they do win the bike, they'll also be able to take a stab at winning another prize, which was $500, guessing the exact horsepower and torque of the bike. I know that's probably going to be tough. Maybe not for some people, but you never know. They might win an additional $500 on top of it. So good luck to everybody, and let's get on with the video.
Then you beat me.
You didn't beat me. What are you talking
The first time?
Bro, come on. Come on.
First time?
I have it on video. He has it on video.
The first time?
Yes.
I was too far back. I don't know, man. I was too far back.
No, it was pretty close.
We even.
All I know, Glenn passed all of you.
I was in sixth gear. And they took off, and I was like this.
Sixth gear, he says.
I didn't even downshift.
Look at this stud. What's that? What's that show when we were kids? 90210? Yeah. It's yeah. No, it's like 90210 over here.
He didn't know he was in fifth gear.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I was squeezing. Look at this spread. This is a nice place in the dock.
Right.
Look, he's got ocean view. Nadal made us a nice cozy breakfast. Look at the ocean view right there.
I got no.
Sweet. Bring a nice crib.
You'll see. You'll see.
Nice crib. Look at this spread. So what'd you make?
I made shakshuka.
Shakshuka?
I made food, some eggs, some cheeses. This is like your typical Middle Eastern breakfast.
Look at this.
What a spread, man.
Yeah. Chachuka. Chachuka. You got pita. You got kitchen. You got everything here.
And this is a Murphy bed, so if I do need the room, I can.
Oh, get out of here.
Nice.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, yeah.
You bought all this shit?
No.
Everything was here. Wow. Sweet. Nice crib.
Yeah, it is, man.
Hell yeah.
Cozy, huh?
Hey, hey, and you can see the bikes.
That's a nice bed.
Sweet spread.
Cool, man.
Tail of the dragon.
Oh yeah.
Come on, guys, dig in. And this is what, eggs?
What is that? Chachuka.
Where's the hummus?
That's eggs.
No, that's eggs.
That's the shakshuka.
What the fuck?
FaceTime Sandy so he can see the real one.
He should have been here. Yeah, he FaceTime
Real
that fuck.
chachuka.
Look at this.
Want to take a piece of this?
Yeah, that's eggs. You take whatever you want. Unreal.
Unreal. Unreal.
Okay. Wow, chachuka. Little pita action. Hell yeah. Make a freaking sandwich.
Thank you, Nadal, for doing this.
I got fucking lonely here.
That's one check there, right?
I have to give you a head start. Oh! Yo, wait! Don't get up! Where am I driving? Don't get up! Don't get up! Better yet, let him ride it. I'll jockey it. You'll jockey it, all right. We'll fucking go. Oh, what's up, brother? I'm like, who is this guy? How you doing? You staying? All right. Bro, this thing is crazy.
Oil tank.
What?
Yeah, oil and frame.
Get the fuck out.
5 quarts.
5 quarts? How much horse? How much horse?
470 pounds.
Yeah, and how much torque? 1 ton? Really?
You know, I haven't seen one. I've only seen pictures of these.
Wow.
The whole Onyx family. I see Boss, I ain't forget about you. Let's go shopping soon. bang. I'm so I can do with the hammer, make you lose your hell fast. Roll the dashes, move like cash is play. Move like baskets. There's a will, there's a way away my thirst.
Featherweight's usually, I think it's 4 or 6 speaker. I'm not 100%. Oh, okay. These are your featherweight bikes.
So this is a stereo competition.
Yeah.
All right, all right. Yamali. The Yamali. You got a Yamali too, right? Yamahog? Yamahog. We got Yamahogs and Yamalis and Harleys and Victories.
I'ma get over so yeah you won't.
Pandemic, you are in the hole.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.